The GPT-4 represents a new level of AI intelligence. The state-of-the-art language model created by OpenAI has the potential to transform how humans interact with technology and opens up previously unimaginable opportunities in a variety of fields. What are the 10 unbelievable things it can do? Is it smarter than humans? Well, before we start, subscribe to the channel so that you can get recent technological updates in the first go. Though no AI technology can be smarter than humans, as humans are the ones to create it, but it can be exceptionally extraordinary and can surely prompt as human beings. So now let's delve deeper and find out what this AI technology is capable of doing. Number 10, it can be your language trainer. Compared to English dialects like Chinchilla and Palm, GPT-4 is reported to be excellent at languages like Afrikaans, Italian, and Turkish. Moreover, in languages like Marathi and Telugu, GPT-4 performed worse than Chinchilla English. In addition, GPT-4 is proficient in nearly 26 languages and can instruct users in any language in a straightforward and effective manner. Additionally, it has the capacity to provide users advice on how to quickly pick up a new language. Number 9. Advanced Translation. As mentioned earlier, it has access to over 26 languages. GPT-4 could provide more accurate translations, taking into account subtle nuances, idiomatic expressions, and cultural context to deliver highly precise and faithful translations. GPT-4 could handle complex sentence structures, including long and convoluted sentences, and improved accuracy. It could accurately convey the intended meaning while preserving the syntactic and grammatical structure of the original language. GPT-4 might generate translations that sound more natural and fluent, mimicking the style and tone of native speakers in the target language. Number 8. It can generate a lawsuit on your behalf. This enhanced AI technology can now assist you if you have a problem with a specific person or with a business but are unable to obtain expert assistance. All you need to do is ask, "Do not pay for assistance." By transcribing a call and producing a 1,000-word lawsuit, it employs GPT-4 to make one-click lawsuits. Isn't it amazing? Number 7. It can help you with creative writing. When it comes to creative writing, GPT-4 could exhibit enhanced abilities to generate imaginative and engaging pieces of writing across various genres and styles. GPT-4 could generate more coherent and well-structured narratives, taking into account plot development, character arcs, and pacing. It might excel at creating captivating storylines that engage readers or users. GPT-4 might be capable of inventing distinct and memorable characters, each within their own personalities, quirks, and dialogue styles. This could enhance the authenticity and depth of the fictional world it creates. Do you know the full form of GPT is Generative Pre-trained Transformer, meaning it's a language model trained in a way that can generate human-like responses? Number 6. It can solve complex problems in one go. When it comes to complex problem solving, a hypothetical GPT-4 could exhibit enhanced capabilities to analyze, understand, and generate solutions for intricate problems. GPT-4 could possess more sophisticated analytical abilities, allowing it to break down complex problems into smaller components, identify patterns, and extract relevant information. Number 5. It can help you in resource optimization and allocation. When it comes to optimization and resource allocation, GPT-4 could possess enhanced capabilities to analyze complex situations with limited or conflicting resources and identify the most efficient allocation strategy. It could consider factors such as demand, supply, utilization rates, and potential trade-offs between different resources. Number 4. It can be a nice tutor for your kids. Based on the way it's educated, GPT-4 can teach kids their school courses with ease because it's knowledgeable in practically all disciplines. Additionally, it can act as a Socratic teacher and instruct your youngster by brainstorming the ideas. Do you know GPT-4 has a longer working memory of about 64,000 words, which is about 50 pages? Number 3. It can transcribe images and can answer your questions based on it. Your snapshot or picture's content can be identified by GPT-4, which can also identify and classify the objects in the image. Then it offers a more comprehensive context for the image or can make assumptions about its content. Number 2. It can be an amazing coder. GPT-4 is fantastic in creating straightforward programs. Within minutes, it can code games like Pong, Snake, Connect, and others. It can also code other programs and applications. GPT-4 technology can aid you if you're stuck on a coding project and will save you time. Number 1. It can find a potential partner for you. GPT-4 technology is used by the online matchmaker Keeper to locate the ideal partner for each user. It looks over the preference listed in the profile and scans it. Based on your likes and choices, it then analyzes whether a profile seemed to be a good fit for you. You must enter all of your preferences and other information carefully to make the most of the model, as GPT-4 technology discovers the match based on your specifications. So these were 10 unbelievable and amazing things this new AI technology is capable of doing. Comment below if you know any other exciting function it can perform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.